Hi students, welcome back. Now let's see the another example to construct the melee machine. So here they are asking, I need to construct a melee machine which accepting a language, a string from sigma closure where the input alphabets, so the sigma input alphabets is set of a comma b, and the string should end with either a or b. So whatever the string that I have taken, that string should end with, okay, string should end with either AA or BB. So this is a condition they are given. So that means you have to assume that suppose the string whenever the sigma is it should be the input alphabet is A comma B, means the output should be, there is a O is, let me take the output is in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, it's a binary alphabet. So let us assume the string that ends with AA or BB, assume that the string ends with either AA or BB, it generates an output, is equal to 1. So whenever A is encountered, 1 is the output, and in the place of B, the string that ends with the BB, then the output is 1. Okay, else output is 0. So what it means? So suppose whenever there is having a single A or the single B, then the output is 0. In case of AA or BB, the output is 1. So remember that. Okay. So because I need to construct the string that ends with either AA or BB. So let me construct the melee machine. So here they are asking that the string that should end with either AA or BB, here the length of the string is 2, and I had to take the number of states here participating in the construction is 3, because the starting state should be the initial state. So let me take 3 states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. I had taken 3 states. My concept here is the string that should end with AA. Okay, and that has to generate an output 1. So let me take the string that ends with, suppose this is A, okay, input A, and let me take A. Okay, so whenever the string that ends with AA, it generates an output 1. For the single A, it should be 0. Just keep the output 0 for the single A. So whenever A is encountered, it has to generate 1. Okay, now let me construct with the B. Whenever the string that ends with the B, so the input, this is B, whenever the string that ends with BB, it generates an output 1 or else 0. So if the single B is there, the output is 0. If BB is there, the output is 1. Okay, so this is a simple concept. Whatever the question they are asking, I constructed a basic thing. Now this whatever the diagram I have drawn, this is only for the AA and the BB. Suppose if the string is given as AB, AA, B, A, B, like this, so this diagram will not work because each state, whatever the state that I have taken, that has to be constructed on input A as well as the input B. So here for the Q0, I have constructed A, I'm taking the input A, I getting the output 0. If I take the B, I'll get the output 0, because the single A, single B, the output should be the 0. Okay, now coming to the Q1. So Q1 on input A, it is having the 1. Okay, it is having the 1, and on B also it has to be constructed. So go to here. So on B, if single B is there, it should be 0, because A, B, it should be 0. Okay, and Q2, B is there. On A, it should generate an output 0. So only for this AA and the BB, the output is 1, and keep all the remaining outputs 0. Okay, for whatever the question they are given. So let's take the string, that is a substring that encounters with the string that ends with AA or BB, those output is 1, and the remaining keep all as zeros. Now let me check whether the strings are accepted or not. whatever the string you want you can take. So here I have taken one string. Let me check. So the Q0 on B, Q0 on B, it is going to Q2 and generating an output. Okay, it's generating an output 0. Now Q2 on A, Q2 on A, it is going to Q1. What is the output it is generating? 0. Now Q1 on A again, Q1 on A, it is going to Q1 itself and generating an output 1. And next is the B string, Q1 on B, Q1 on B, it is going to Q2 and generating an output is 0. So still A, B is over. Again the B is there still. So Q2 on B. So Q2 on B, it is going to Q2 itself and what is the output it is generating? 1. So what is the output it generated? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So whenever the substring A is encountered, it has to print 1. So whenever the A is there, it prints 1. And whenever the BB is there, it prints 1. So let me take another example. So in this example, BAA. Okay. So here Q0 on B, Q0 on B, it is going to Q2. It is generating an output 0. And Q2 on A, it is going to Q1 and it generate output 0. And Q1 on A, so whenever A is encountered, it has to print the output 1. Q1 on A, it is going to Q1 itself and generating output 1. So the output for this is 0, 0, 1. So whenever the A is encountered, you can see output as 1. So this is how you need to construct the Melee machine. So first construct the Melee machine for the given concept, then you have to take the alternatives. So each state has to work on the input A as well as the input B. Okay, so only those strings which are generating AA and the BB sequence, for that the output is 1. Keep all the remaining outputs as 0. Thank you.